You ever have a Civic that's got some pinstriping on it, and then you get the doors banged up and you got to replace them, and the doors come and they don't have pinstriping, so now you got a problem and you got to get the pinstriping removed? Go get yourself one of these 3M racer wheels and do something like this. So yeah, you'll have a little bit of rubber left over. A little bit of a cleaning in it. Anyways, looks like I could do that second door again, but that's how you do it. Yeah, as you can see, I've got different ears. These guys, I got one silver one and I've got one black one. The silver ones are paint matched. They came off the new door. So we're going to go ahead and, you know, get that mirror off eventually. Just something I noticed. It'd be kind of interesting to see if anyone else is driving it around. I've got to do the interior cards next. It'd be nice to get in and see if I could get the electrical problems on the door controls figured out for the windows. But next, I think we're actually going to focus on the headlights and the grille. Not the chrome piece, but the actual insert there is not going to be the same. And then we'll do headlights, which will take the bumper off. Bumper. We're going to cut in some fog lights right around there, I think, and wire them boys up. And maybe when we wire those up, we've got to come in with a switch for the dash that the kit came with. Maybe we'll do the door cards and everything like that. Just as a reminder, we did the doors yesterday. We replaced those. And those new doors came with, you know, butchered interior cards. Not a problem. We've got new ones. We're gonna do those in an episode soon. Yeah, I'm hopeful that I'll be able to get the back window controls, because as of right now, these boys do not work. What I mean is that master switch right there is toast on the back controls. It feels like crap, and I'm going to replace it. Watch the video.